Policing the streets of modern Britain is no easy task. Threats to public safety come in many forms. The terrorist, the hooligan, the looter, the exotic, the visually impaired. What's that? Harmless, you say? Don't be delusional. The blind are a hugely underestimated threat to national security. They speak Braille, a language no one can understand. Their naturally compensatory super abilities, honed to ever so slightly enhanced levels in specialised training camps and combined with their tendency to walk around armed, can prove a challenge to even the best trained officer. And some of them have dogs. Take no chances. You've been issued with a taser. An encounter with a person of restricted optical abilities offers a great opportunity to get a feel for how it works.
No, I wouldn't go back to negotiation. I mean, this has made me feel much more powerful.
Just down on the ground, bitch! Down on the ground, bitch!
Like an Iron Man. Or Thor.
Next lesson, taking down a pregnant.